All right, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, it's my voice. Lucas's hands over there. He's going to open up that case, and we're going to number those 1 through 16. We've got 4 boxes coming here. Steve H., Glenn, Shank, Maflow. We'll random to see which box numbers you guys are getting. And once again, it is on the website. We'll honor this price through this case and run our way through it. So get the hang of it eventually. Hey-o. 16 box case, so very big case. It's very big. Iguana got you. Mezcal got you. I think there might be like 2 left. That's beautiful. We'll be able to see all the numbers there. All right, hit it. Just the little side of them, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. I normally write them in German, but whatever. I was good. What's up, Jimothy? All right, so there they are, 1 through 16. And then I'll hop over here. Not on there. So here we go. 3 times on the names, and then we'll random the 1 through 16 3 times, and the 4 numbers on top will pair up with wherever you land here. All right, so 3 times 1, 2, and 3. And so I've got Steve H., Maflow, Glenn, and Shank. So that's the order. We'll run those as well. And then 3 times on the numbers. 1, 2, 3. 14 for Steve. 11 for Maflow. 6 for Glenn, and 3 for Shank on the personals. Yeah, 14, 11, 6, and 3. Just push them to the back. Yeah, that's fine. All right. And then we're going to have a little battle here. Lucas do Steve and Maflow. And who's last two? And I'll do Glenn and Shank. We're going to see who hits the lowest numbered card here. Lowest numbered card. Let's see. So Steve H., you're up first. Box 14. Prove it. Oh, I guess you need the.
That might help.
I'm like doing the play-by-play from the side.
I wasn't muted, guys. Mike was just hogging the microphone. So, all right, Steve H. Here we go. Box 14 for you. We got to hit something low. I want to win. Mainly, I just want Michael to lose. All right. All right. And Steve, here we go. And again, unless some Mario Kart characters come out of this, I don't know any of this. And I can't really see the screen. All right. Austin Dillon. I'm also not sure where the good cards are in this, so we're going to go through this together. Chase Elliott. This looks like an autograph to me of Jeb Burton. Nutrient Solutions sponsor. Sounds decent. Yeah, it is. That guy's been driving cars for a very long time. Ticket of no name on the front. Chase Elliott. Chris Boucher. Number 299. Beat that, Mike. I doubt you can. Dale Earnhardt Jr. I know that name. William Byron. Martin Truex Jr. number 2, 199. And then on the back, you could win a Daytona experience. All right, pack number 2. Oh, there we go. I'm not sure if that's the person you guys were talking about. No, Brittany Zamora is on the back. So, wrong racer. William Byron. Yeah, right. We got a score of Chandler Smith, number 225. Ooh, actually, all right. We're going to move that one to the back. To 25. Bubba Wallace. I don't know that name. Kyle Busch. He's family. Kyle Busch. Mr. Bass Pro Shop himself, Martin Truex Jr. Ooh, there we go. Haley Deegan Black. It does not look like it's it just says black on it. It's the line. Oh, okay. I don't know if it's from Illusions or not. But... it was black. Yeah, here's my 101. Brittany. We would just stop there. Brittany Zamora, and then on your autograph, you got Joey Logano, 9 out of 10 from Limited. Joey Logano, Pennzoil. There you go. All right. Pack number 3. I'd say that's a good couple of packs to start off with. Couple of low numbers. Again, I'm not sure where the good cards start. Christopher Bell from Score. Wrong pile, sorry. Sheldon Creed. Austin Dillon. Card's thick. I'm not 100% sure why it's thick, but it is from Spectra. And then another Haley Deegan. Titan. Not numbered, but still Haley Deegan. Ryan Repko. Number to 199. Brett Moffitt. Nice Transport. Ryan Newman. And another Dale Earnhardt Jr. Pedal to the Metal, number to 199. I just want a Ricky Bobby card. Is that too much to ask? All right, Chase Elliott. Another Natalie Decker. This one numbered to 199. Ooh, that looks like an autograph to me. Mason Massey from Select. Can't really see his face. He's wearing the hat, the glasses, and the mouth guard. Autograph nonetheless. Austin Cindric. Kyle Weatherman. What a name. Kevin Harvick, Pedal to the Metal. Those are some cool looking cards. Those holograms look cool. And Brad Keselowski. And on the back, Kevin Harvick. It's just a car, so this must be the Disney version of him. It's a cool card, though. That obsidian with those lines and stuff. It's very cool. Let me clear this up a little bit. All right. 2 packs left for you, Steve. All right. Rookie card of Alex LeBay. And then we got ourselves a pinnacle of Dale Earnhardt Jr. That's 3. Mark Martin on the Spectra. Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Crusade. Kyle Busch. I love that M&M suit. I think that's great. Kyle Busch on the Crusade. Number 225. And then Ray Black Jr. on the black card. It's kind of cool. Zane Smith. And Pedal to the Metal, Arik Almirola. 10 of 99. So you're getting a lot of good numbers on this one. Last pack. Ooh, we got a thickie in there. Don't know if that's any good or not. Martin Truex Jr. Dale Earnhardt Jr. is following you. 61 of 99. And then Denny Hamlin on the status swatches. I'm not sure what they put inside those, but it kind of looks like rubber, but I'm not sure. says race worn material. So yeah, regardless, Denny Hamlin, cool card nonetheless. Martin Truex Jr., Chase Elliott, Austin Dillon, Brittany Zamora, pedal to the metal, and final card is Tyler Reddick on the Obsidian. Not a bad box for you, Steve. You know, we went as low as 10. I'll take that. That's all the numbered. These are the non-numbered, and then these are the autos.
Whoa.
So you going up, or you want me
No,
to?
you.
So back to back. This
here.
is 11. Clean up this a little bit. You saving this for any reason to send it? No.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, a lot of them haven't. It's kind of interesting. All right, Maflow. Let's see if we can top that. Let's hit a 101. I'd be completely down with that. We would literally tie, and ties are not accepted here, so. All right, Maflow, here we go. Yeah, they do look really cool. We got a lot of low numbers out of that box, too. That's a good box. All right, Kevin Harvick. Right out of the gate, we're going out of 99 for Martin Truex Jr. And then we got an auto right off the bat. Thad Moffitt from Obsidian. No number on it, but autos are still awesome. Drew Dollar. Cole Custer. Ryan Blaney. Driving that Menards car. He honestly looks like he should have been at Talladega Nights. Something like that. Martin Truex Jr. And then Cole Custer. Those Obsidian cards look great.
Yeah, the Obsidian.
Yeah. Oh, Chandler Smith. So down here we got ourselves. Can't read this. Bailey Curry. Rookie card. And then out of 99 variation, Showstopper rookie card. It looks cool. I do not have a name on the front of it, but we got Sheldon Creed, 53 of 99. That card looks cool. And then Natalie Decker. So I guess there are more than one women driver. Because this is a third one.
These aren't all that.
Oh, really? Okay, gotcha. Kyle Busch. I know that name. Oh, that one's at a 25. Nice hit on that Contenders. And then Haley Deegan Black. Non-numbered, but still, those black cards look really cool. And then Brett Moffitt. Cool. And then Martin True Jr. out of 99. I think you got like 3 or 4 of this dude in these first 2 packs.
No, that's not. I already made the mini list.
All right. Starting this one off with Arik Almirola at a score. Ricky Steinhaus Jr. Like we got an auto here of Cody Vanderwall. Rookie card auto. Very cool. Austin Dillon out of Titan. Cole Custer out of Titan. And then we got here Ryan Newman. Kevin Harvick Jr. on the pedal to the metal. Freaky fast. And then Rafael Lessard, rookie card from Obsidian. Awesome. 3 packs left, halfway down. Yeah, we got Ryan Newman off the top. Chris Boucher. Taylor Gray autograph out of Crusade. Crusade. Austin Dillon. Joey Logano. Tony Stewart. I know that name. And on the black, we got Christian X. The cool face mask with the tiger teeth. And Chandler Smith, rookie card from Obsidian. All right, 2 packs left. Oh, I saw shiny. All right, Taylor Gray. And Rafael Lessard, rookie card. And to 99, Haley Deegan, Spectra, Dirt Princess. That's a nice card. Yeah. No, that was not Lucas given nickname or Falco given nickname. We're just gonna move on from that one. Natalie Decker on the Contenders. Thanks for making it awkward, Mike. Joey Logano on the Titan. That one's numbered to 99. There. Matt Shiver, rookie card. Martin True Jr. strikes again. Pedal to the metal. And back-to-back Martin True Jr. 2 of 25. I don't know if he's good or not, but you got a lot of him. Truex, my bad. Open this pack. Way weird. Yeah, she looks like a kid. Austin Dillon. Last pack. Magic here. Alex Bowman to 99 at a score. We've got a Ryan Blaney autograph numbered to 25. Menards car. If you guys haven't been to Menards, I highly recommend going. We have not been paid by Menards, but you do save big money by going there. Myatt Snyder, rookie card. Natalie Decker on the select. And Jeff Gordon, there he is. On the black. Very slick card. Brad Keselowski. And we're going to end it on Jimmy Johnson on the Obsidian. There you go, Maflow. Not a bad box at all. What's up? Really? How many are they supposed to have? I don't know how many other one have. But...
The other one had higher.
Oh. Alright, so what we got out of 10 was my lowest?
10 was your lowest, yeah.
Alright. Beat that, Mike.
Pressure's on, baby.
Yeah. Your chair.
You can put that white box. You'll see another one in there. Yeah. Steve's. All right, I got to beat it out of 10. Oh, man, you were doing that blind? Holy cow. I was like, I look up and I'm like, wait, where's... My goodness. All right, Glenn, box 6. Glenn, box 6. And then, guys, so we got Glenn and we've got Shank after this. And then we'll, Gypsy Queen Baseball is full. We'll run that. And then we've already got another box ready for the next round of Chronicles, which we'll do after Gypsy Queen. And then that leaves the only thing on the site for group breaks, Impeccable Basketball. So, Glenn, here we go. Good luck. I got to beat it out of 10. I can do that.
Sorry, Glenn, I'm rooting against
you. Lucas is not rooting for anything lower than that. Deegan. All right. I got some Deegan. It seems like every box you get a Deegan, at least. Sheldon Creed, select silver rookie. Blaney. Kyle Busch. Sheldon Creed. 199, Austin Cindric. And to 49, Joey Gase. I'm going with Gase. I've learned NASCAR go very like plain Jane English. No Gasse or anything like that. Gase. Or maybe it's Gassy. I don't know. Pack 2. Oh, who said that? Glenn. Hey. Oh. Not a 101, but it don't matter, baby. Glenn's going to love me. Glenn's gonna love me. Alex Labby? Select purple. Number to 25. Truex Jr. Okay, how about another Deegan? I think there's been a Deegan black in every box so far. Interesting. You get a Deegan, you know? Number to 199, Jeff Gordon. Okay. Okay. Chase Elliott. These. Alex Lamb. Okay. You ready? I have no idea what the numbering is. If it's a 101, oh baby. But on the back, we've got the Dirt Princess herself. Autograph. Number to 25, Haley Deegan, baby. Let's go, Glenn. James, your personal is today after Gypsy Queen. Haley Deegan. Autograph. That's what's up. Number 25. Yep, 25. I still haven't beat you yet. Ricky Stenhouse. Then we got Jesse Love. Crusade Rookie Silver. Brett Moffitt. Oh, Zenith. Ryan Newman. Newman's own. William Byron. Dale Earnhardt Jr. We got a Jimmy Johnson, number 25, on the purple. And Trevor Lawrence. No, I was kidding. Noah Gragson. Spectra.
Is there a color on that autograph?
Just out of 25. I think that's the base one. Yeah, this is the Chronicles auto. Oh, it is purple. It is.
So it's
I'm actually shocked there's one up because this is release day. Truex Jr. Then you got Brad Keselowski, number to 199. I'll shoot you a text, James. Just like if it was a regular break. Kevin Harvick. Keselowski. Justin Allgaier, number to 199. Austin Cindric, to 25. On the auto. Austin Cindric auto. These are little bricks of packs. I still got to beat out of 10 or better. Come home, baby. I've been going like this, but it doesn't seem to matter. Sheldon Creed. Silver ticket of Denny Hamlin. Those are nice looking. Zane Smith. Zenith. Got Ray Black Jr. These go every which way. Austin Dillon. Daniel Hemrick. Obsidian. Ryan Repko. You got a rookie to 199 of Natalie Decker. Pinnacle rookie. And William Byron. Spectra. We'll allow it. There's Haley again. Brad Keselowski. And then, I don't know, Richard Petty. Heard of him. Number to 99. Brittany Zamora. Jimmy Johnson. Jimmy Johnson to 99. Deegan. Josh Berry. And Reed Sorensen autograph. Obsidian auto. Glenn. Yours. I think you're happy. Deegan to 25. Box 6. And box 3. Shank. By the way, there should be a ton of 10 or less, by the way, in this product across, like, in a case. It would not shock me if you got 3 to 4 101s in a case on a product like this. There are so many 101s to be had because of all the different brands that are within it. Math. Brittany Zamora. Cole Custer? I've always said Custer, but I don't know. I'm just... Brittany Zamora. Zenith. Jimmy Johnson, 199. And Noah Gragson on the Zenith Racing autograph. Gragson? Haley Deegan. Crusade. Buy a box, get a Haley. Kaz Gralla. Grant Enfinger. Chase Elliott. 10 of 10. Alex Lab. Rookie. 10 of 10. Ayo. And Tony Stewart. Smoke. Tony Stewart, Spectra Silver Smoke. I still gotta get a 101 then. Man, these are every which way. Contenders Ticket Silver, Kurt Busch. Danny Hamlin. Kurt Busch. This pack brought to you by Kurt Busch. Austin Dillon and Eric Almirola. 6 of 10. Autograph. Double out of 10. Let go. Dropping out of 10s. Oh, this one's sparkly looking. Whatever it is. Sheldon Creed. Oh, it's Kyle Busch. The blue M&M. Number to 199. Noah Gragson. Martin Truex Jr. Kevin Harvick. 99. Briscoe. Harvick. To 99. Daniel Hemrick. Ooh. Blue. These packs just shred. William Byron. Josh Williams. He's got the flow going. My goodness. In the front, he's like, line me up like Drake. And in the back, it's like, just letting it all go. That's number to 199. Edwards. Logano to 99. Matt DiBenedetto. Matt Schneider. Rookie Silver. Spectra. And Chandler Smith, rookie. Kurt Busch. Justin Allgaier. Austin Dillon. Denny Hamlin. Alex Lab. 199. Kevin Harvick. And Kyle Larson. Is that Phoenix? Yep. Phoenix autograph. Shank. Not too shabby. 2 out of 10s. Larson. Guys, first round of Chronicles Racing Personals for the day. There you have it.